you want to play?
Well, you're not helping me.
Come here and play.
That's because I'm standing.
What's this,
Jason,
Chip?
that's not
What's
doing
a chippy
anything.
squirrel?
That's just standing
chippy
there so
squirrel?
you don't have to do the words.
Chip.
It's like sitting in class
Who's this
and
squirrel?
making...
Who is this
You
squirrel?
have a project with
Oh.
two people and then you
Hi.
make the other person do all the work.
Oh, where's my chippy squirrel? Where's Chip? Hi. Oh, do you want a belly rub? No, I want to play. No, we're staying down here. Who's cute? Who's a cute squirrel? Come back up. Who's a cute squirrel? Who's a cute squirrel? Say I am, Mom. I'm cute.
It's so real because
Oh.
I need something to keep.
No.
I'm trying, man. I'm trying. We're trying our best. Yeah, but it's hard. Yeah.
No.
Piggy's really hard.
Go play.
I love it.
Oh, Mama's gonna get it. Mama's gonna get it. Come here. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you.
I'll go get him. Okay, go.
Hey. Oh. Oh, he's so tough. He's so tough and so fierce. Tough and fierce? You're gonna be tough and fierce? Show me tough and fierce.
What do I need to do?
Show me tough and fierce. Oh.
Maybe we have to get...
See, no, I'm not tough and fierce.
No?
I'm sweet
You beat it.
and timid.
Oh,
I'm a good squirrel.
Oh,
I'm a good squirrel.